I'm Sakshi Bhatnagar, and in this video, I'll be actually showing you some of the ways to stay positive. Video because I thought that many people, might be getting bored like me, and it's very boring. And I got chance to wear these glasses, which I really wear, and I love to wear them. But then I wasn't getting a chance because obviously, like even I was having COVID, so yeah, so that was something really really bad. And yeah, so now I'm thinking to just sunbath for some time, and then I'll actually let you know what I'll do. So yeah, basically I'll be telling you about like what I'm doing in this video. Okay guys, मैं सलमान खान की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ. So I know राधे आई है and it has been really really good, and मतलब सलमान खान fans can relate that, right? But मैं अभी भी सलमान खान के सारे पुराने गाने देखती हूँ, सारे पुराने गाने. So yeah, मैं अभी ये सोच रही हूँ सुनने की. So yeah, that's how I kill my time during this serial. दोस्तों
ना कोई मंजिल है ना कोई साथी है, फिर भी निकल पड़ो घर से. शायद जिसकी तलाश है वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है.
जाने जाना.
ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना.
Guys, I'm thinking to show you something which is very very private, but okay, let me show you. So oh my god, it's very heavy. Yeah, this is like a wish fulfilling tortoise, and that tortoise can be in water and sand both. So I've poured some water in it, and it's a wish fulfilling tortoise. So it's like very exciting. So I love all these things, and I kind of even practice it. I mean, जितना हो सकता है उतना practice कर लेती हूँ, मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं, but yeah, I do. So guys, I love taking pictures, and this is from Maldives, and these are my parents, and I'm missing traveling actually. So yeah, just having a look. Oh, actually I was going to meet my childhood crush on this day, and maybe that's why I'm looking better in this picture. So yeah. That one is with my friend Karan. He plays guitar really well, so I was just having fun. I don't know how to play the guitar, and this one is in Dubai. Yeah, had loads of fun actually. So as you can see, I'm a coffee lover. Here I am. Again a guitar. Actually, I love posing like this. I think so. And when my hair were like colored, now I have like all black hair. But then at this time, I was having highlights. So yeah. This was Jim Corbett. So yeah, you can see that this one is again from Maldives. And this is with my Jijus, so yeah, my brother-in-laws. I just love reading books, and in my hands I have The Power of Positive Thinking right now, and I'm about to read it. I really love all these kinds of books, and I also like Law of Attraction. I actually love because they actually tell you to be happy, so we really need it right now, I feel. So yeah, I've spent my most of the time in it. Lesen Sie den Text und antworten Sie die Fragen. So basically it says that read the text and then answer the questions. So I keep on revising German because obviously you cannot speak German with just everyone, and I'm kind of revising it basically. So I'm not a pro in it, but then yeah, I love to revise it, and I think it's fun. Just imagine that a mobile is called Handi. Like it's fun to know new languages, and I love that. So I've tried French as well, and but for now, I think German is cool. So I'm not a kind of a person who would, read or learn, multiple languages, at the same time. But then there are people who actually do that. I really, really admire that. I would actually suggest you one more thing, which I actually practice a lot. I like to light candles, perfumed candles in my room, and also what you can do is that you could get that natural aroma by rose petals. So you can keep rose petals in your room as well. So if you like such kind of vlogs, then do let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. Love you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.